Hello, my friend. This is our showroom, and these are our toilet chair, toilet bar chair, and this is our infinity chair, channel chair, and with different bag. Here are steel plastic folding chair and resin folding chair with different color. Okay, let me introduce our crossback chair with different color. This is the distressed black color and with polish, and this is the distressed gray color. And this color also made wash white wash, and also this color also very popular in US. This color is the natural beechwood. This cushion made of regular fabric. And this cushion made of Canadian fabric. Also, the end we can change to the Velcro like this. These are the color swatch of crossback chair. Different color. Okay, my friend, that's all. Thank you.